Good morning, students. So today we are going to start exercise 4.2. Question number first. Which one of the following option is true and why? One equation is written in front of us. In question first. Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has one unique solution, only two solution, or infinitely many solution. So, dear students, when I taught you the basic concept of this chapter, then I taught you that the linear equation in two variable is always having infinitely many solution. So the third option is correct. How I am going to prove here? See, we will do. See, y is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, the correct answer I have written already, infinitely many solution. Now we will prove. How? First you see, write the equation here. Y is equal to 3x plus 5 and make here table for the solutions. Okay, now make the column here, and this is x, this is y. Now suppose if you put here value of x, some real number, then after multiplication with 3 and addition of 5, it will give the value of y. So suppose we take value of x is 0. Suppose put here 0. Then 0 3 is 0 and 0 plus 5, that is 5 only. So y of y value will get 5. If you take value of x 1, the 3 banja 3 and 3 plus 1, 3 banja 3 and 3 plus 5, 8, it is 8. Suppose if you take here value of minus 1, suppose minus 1 you are taking. So minus 1 means 3 banja 3, minus 3. And minus 3 plus 5, so 2. If you take value of suppose 4, so 4 3 are 12, x value 4, 12 plus 5, 17. So you can take so many value, means there is no end. This chart will not stop, this table will not stop, means you can take so many solutions. That's why the answer of this question is infinitely many solution. So we can do. Hereafter, see question number second. Write 4 solution for each. We want to find out 4 solution, any 4 solution for each question, each part. First is 2x plus y equal to 7. It's very simple. First you write in proper form. Transpose this 2x from this side to that side. Y will be here only. Y is equal to 7 and the 2x is positive. If you transpose that side, become negative. So 2x. Now make one table. For 4 solution, we want 4 solution here. It's very simple. This is x, this is y. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's so simple. See, students, if you put here value of x is 0. Suppose value of x we have put 0. So 0 multiply to 0 and 0 minus 7. If you subtract 0 from 7, that is 7 only. First solution we get this. Second, if you put here 1. So 1 2 is 2 and 7 minus 2. 5, say 5. You can take one negative value also. If you take here minus 1, so minus 1 into 2, 2 1 is 2 and minus plus, the 7 plus 2, 9. If you take here, suppose value of minus 2, so 2 2 is 4 and minus become plus, so 4 plus 7, 11. So these are the 4 solution. Which solution you can write down in this way. If you want to write 0, 7, first solution. Second, 1, 5, and then minus 1, 9, and fourth one is minus 2, 11. Okay, these are 4 required solutions. Students, some students are having doubt that sir, only these are the fixed answer. No, these solution may be different. If 10 students are sitting in class and they are taking out 4 solution, so it is possible that every student will take out different solution. So there is no any certainty that always these solution will come. It may be similar or not. You can take out many solutions, so don't worry. Now next part, second part. Similarly, see, y is equal to 9 and transpose pi x that side, so become minus pi x. Now again make the table. It's so simple. And x, y, 1, 2, 3 and 4 solution here. So first if you take here x is equal to 0, suppose in the x has 0, the 0 pi into 0 only, and if you mind, that is 9 only after subtracting. Now if you put x equal to 1, then 1 pi is 1 pi only, and this is 9 minus pi. Okay, don't write the value of pi 22/7 because pi is a irrational number here, so pi is pi only. If you take value of x 2, then it is 2 pi, so that is value of y is 9 minus 2 pi. Okay, if you take minus 1, suppose x, then this is minus minus become plus, and 1 pi, so 9 plus pi. So these are the four solutions. You can write down 0, 9 first solution, second solution 1, 9 pi, 1, 9 minus pi, 9 minus pi, third solution 2, 9 minus 2 pi, and fourth solution minus 1, 9 plus pi. So these are the four solution, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part, third part, 1, 2, 3, three part, third part. X is equal to 4y. It's very simple. How? Draw one table. Here there no need to transpose because x is here already and y is 4y written. Now we can do. So what to do? Make here x and here y. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four solution. First you put, here we have to put value of y. Suppose you value of y is 0. The 0 for the 0, then answer is x is also 0. If you take y is equal to 1, then 1 for the 4th, x is equal to 4. If you take y is equal to minus 1, then that is minus 4 only. 4 1 4 minus 1. If you take 2, 2 for the 8, x will be 2. So there the solutions are 0, 0, second solution 4, 1, third solution minus 4, minus 1, and fourth solution 8, 2. So that's why we have done this question also. Question number 3. Which of the following are solution of equation x minus 2y is equal to 4? It's so simple. How to do? Here the first solution is given 0, 2. It means x is 2, 0 and y is 2. So we should check here, means write down here, checking the solution. So x minus 2y is equal to 4. We should put the value of both x and y, and after calculation if we get the answer 4, then it is true, otherwise not. So x is 0, put here 0 in the place of x, minus 2, y is 2, put here 2 is equal to 4. This is 0 and minus 2 2 is 4, and this is 4, so it is not equal. It means no, it is not solution. It is not a solution. Solution of this equation. Okay, so it is not. Now second part. In second part again, that's simple, same method, checking. X minus 2y is equal to 4. Now in the place of x write down 2 because value of x is 2 and y is 0. So 2 and minus 2, value of y is 0, it is 0 is equal to 4. So 2 is 2 and 2 zeros is 0, that is the minus 0 is equal to 4. Is it possible that 2 minus 0, 2 is equal to 4? No, write down no. It is not a solution. In short way I am writing. It is also not. Next, 4, 0. The 4 is x value is 4 and y value is 0. Now put here. What is the equation? Write again, checking. X minus 2y is equal to 4. In the place of x write 4. Minus 2, y value 0 is equal to 4. So 4 is 4 and 2 minus 2 0 is 0 and 0 minus 2 is nothing. So that's why 4 equal to 4. So yes, it is a solution. This is solution of this. Next one, this one also means same, checking. X minus 2y is equal to 4. In the place of x write down under root 2 because x value is under root 2 and y value is 4 under root 2. That 2 and minus 2 y value is what? 4 root 2 is equal to 4. Now If you open, then this is under root 2 is under root 2 only. Minus here, 4 2 is 8. 8 root 2 is equal to 4. It is not equal? No. It is, or no, it is not. It is not solution of this. Next, last part of this. Again, checking. We have to do each part actually. Checking x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now, what is the value of x? 1. Y value is also 1. So, put here 1 in the place of x, minus 2 in the place of y also 1 is equal to 4. So, 1 and 2 1 are 2, minus 2. 1 minus 2 give you minus 1. This is 4. So, no. It is not a solution. Means this is also not solution of this. Question number 4. Find the value of k if x equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of equation this. Means x and y value is given and we have to find out value of k. It's very simple. See, we know that, what we know that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Okay. And these are the solution of which equation? This. Now taking 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Now you know this is the solution. We write down. It has a solution. What is solution it has? It has solution 2, 1. Because x is 2 and y is 1. So now put the value of x. In the place of x write down 2. Because x value is 2. And y value is 1. So y value is 1 put here is equal to k. This is k, sorry. It is looking like 12. Now 2 2s are 4. And 3 1 3 is equal to k. 4 plus 3 7. It means k is equal to 7. So that is, you have done very easily. That answer is 7, k value is